Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle the Maker, and today I am going to be upcycling this denim jacket that is super snug, super tight on me, but hopefully I can make it into a tube top, a denim tube top moment. So when you actually do get outside, you can actually wear something cute. So I hope you like it, and we'll see you soon. So my ultimate goal in this is not to have to sew anything. So let's see. First, you're going to cut off the arms.
Put the biggest smile up on my face and put my love in its place. Hey. Continue to love, continue to love, continue to love me, continue to love, continue to love, continue to love me, continue to love, continue to love, continue to love me.
Which you'll have. And this is a little too big still, and I didn't want to use my sewing machine, but I am going to have to. This is actually like this, and I'm going to just cut this off because why not? I'll even make it a moment.
You stick around 'cause you know it won't be long. See your flame catches on to me, pass your light on to me like you bring the brightest glow into my space and put my love in.
And I'm going to do some darts. Actually take this in.
Continue to love, continue to love. You put the brightest smile up on my face and put my love in its place. Your love seems to solve every issue, so please continue, continue to love.
So this is what I have so far. This is not staying up, so I'm gonna have to figure out something. So what I did was cut off the arms, like the part that covers your arms. So I cut that off, and I'm going to make this a halter moment. So it's gonna be like this. Okay. As always, I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you feel so lovely or kind to do so, just please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah,